Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I've done a lot of videos on or not a lot, but some videos on the Extrude Tool, and I've done some on text, but this is pretty cool what you can do with it. Let's just extrude this guy out a little bit. Matter of fact, let's take it over there. Then, once you have the Extrude Tool open, you've got this right here where you can rotate the extrusion. And you want to kind of angle it kind of like that. And then you can take, and right here, you can limit how thick the extrusion is. And then what's so cool about it, you can go right here to lighting, and you can change the lighting of where the extrusion, I don't know if you can see that happening, but let's move 3 up. So what you're doing, you're kind of moving it up into the shadow. I guess I actually have to click on 3 to get it to do it. That's a pretty cool effect. You can have 3 different looking angles. I mean, that even, I don't know if that's actually there or just in the monitor, the kind of weird texture. Almost looks like a screen. But you can always, like always, you can take and make it blue. You can actually take it and go up to object. Probably what we're gonna have to select it all. Go up to object and break the extrusion apart, and then you can get just the text, and you can make the text blue in your extrusion, whatever color you wanted, but you could still play around with your extrusion. That's a pretty cool, I wish I could print t-shirts or something, because that'd be a good looking t-shirt. Anyway, so just play around with that a little bit and hope that helped. Thank you.